I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm here in my blue and yellow pocket garden. Now, a pocket garden is just like a little small area with a little theme going on, and I have made this a very low maintenance, easy care, but colorful garden using some lazy gardening tips. So, first is I use a lot of foliage for color. So flowers can be fleeting, but foliage is forever. So I'm starting out here with the golden foliage of Japanese forest grass. This is a variegated variety, so it's striped green and white. There's also a Japanese forest grass that is all gold, called Aria. And this I can use in pots. I use it in dark blue pots because, of course, it's my blue and yellow garden. And then I also use this golden Lamium. And Lamium is a ground cover, and it is quite adaptable to sun or shade, which is important because this area of my garden is mostly shaded, but then in the afternoon it gets hot, blazing sun. So the Lamium ground cover is great at blocking out weeds and just providing this really great golden color. Many different forms of Lamium, so in the golden yellow garden I make sure I got the one called Golden Anniversary. It's also called Aria Lamium. And then just for little pop-ups of flower color in the yellow, the California poppy. And I deadhead it so it doesn't seed all over, but I let some of it reseed. It's more of a perennial poppy that comes back. So once I've established this base of a lot of golden foliage, then the blue flowers that pop up, and I'll do a separate video on the blue flowers, but I use clematis and I use blue columbine, but mostly I'm getting the blue by cheating. Basically I use blue paint. I got a blue birdhouse. I have a deep blue Versailles square box planter with a hosta in it, and a blue gate. And so that's it. Lots of gold foliage, pops of blue, accents, and you got a little theme going on, and it's a pretty easy care garden. Oh, one more thing. The first year ever, planted last year, had this really cool perennial, which means it comes back every year, Transdescia. And it has golden yellow foliage and deep blue blooms. The perfect plant for my blue and yellow theme garden. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.